In this video, let me show you how to fix Coinbase transfer pending. Now, the thing that you need to know with bank transfers within Coinbase is it usually takes 3 to 5 business days for the ACH clearing window to close. So in this situation, you just need to wait out 5 days at least. But however, if the transfer is still pending even after 5 days, then this usually happens due to the bank verification delay, or due to insufficient funds, or as well as the temporary security holds placed by the platform of Coinbase. So the first thing that you need to check is if you have sufficient funds. Secondly, what you can also do is verify your account status. So within the application, you can simply head over to the settings and check if your account has been temporarily blocked or is under temporary hold. In this situation, you also should be able to get an email from Coinbase itself. So in this situation, you just need to wait out before the temporary hold is removed, and only then you'll be able to transfer your funds. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.